Frying food at home can be a hassle, but with the right appliance, it becomes a joy. This West Bend deep fryer with adjustable temperature control is designed to bring professional quality frying to your kitchen with ease and convenience. This review will delve into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your kitchen. Upon unboxing the West Bend deep fryer, you're immediately struck by its sleek design. The fryer is compact yet sturdy, with a modern silver and black finish that will complement any kitchen decor. The 3-liter capacity is perfect for family-sized portions without taking up too much counter space. The package includes a nonstick basket with a folding handle, a detachable inner oil tank, and a clear, easy-view window on the lid. The West Bend deep fryer boasts a durable construction with high-quality materials that ensure longevity. The stainless steel body is both stylish and practical, resistant to stains and easy to clean. The nonstick basket and detachable oil tank add to the convenience, making both frying and cleaning a breeze. The folding handle is a thoughtful feature, allowing for easy storage in tight kitchen spaces. Overall, the build quality is impressive, promising reliable performance over time. Key features. One of the standout features of the West Bend deep fryer is its adjustable temperature control. The dial allows you to set the precise temperature needed for a variety of foods, from delicate fish fillets to hearty chicken wings. The temperature guide printed on the unit is a helpful addition, taking the guesswork out of frying and ensuring perfect results every time. The Easy View window on the lid is a game changer for home frying. It allows you to monitor the frying progress without opening the lid, reducing the risk of oil splatters and burns. This feature not only enhances safety, but also ensures that your food is cooked to perfection. Cleaning a deep fryer can be a daunting task, but the West Bend deep fryer makes it easy with its detachable oil tank. The tank can be easily removed and cleaned, ensuring that your fryer stays hygienic and ready for the next use. This feature is particularly appreciated in busy households where the fryer might be used frequently. The nonstick basket with a folding handle is both practical and user-friendly. The nonstick coating ensures that food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. The folding handle makes it easy to store the basket inside the fryer or in a cabinet, saving valuable kitchen space. The temperature guide printed on the unit is a small but significant feature. It provides recommended temperatures for various foods, helping you achieve the best results without needing to consult a manual. This feature is particularly useful for novice cooks who might be unfamiliar with frying temperatures. The West Bend deep fryer delivers consistent and reliable cooking results. The adjustable temperature control ensures that the oil heats up quickly and maintains a steady temperature throughout the frying process. This consistency is crucial for achieving perfectly crispy and golden brown foods. Whether you're frying French fries, chicken tenders, or donuts, this fryer ensures that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. With its adjustable temperature control and 3-liter capacity, the West Bend deep fryer is incredibly versatile. You can fry a wide range of foods, from appetizers to main courses and desserts, without worrying about cross-contamination or flavor transfer. The large capacity basket and efficient heating element make it easy to prepare meals for family dinners or gatherings. The West Bend deep fryer's user-friendly design makes it accessible to both novice and experienced cooks. The intuitive temperature control dial, temperature guide, and Easy View window provide a seamless frying experience. The cool touch handle and stable base add an extra layer of safety, making this fryer a reliable choice for any kitchen. Considering its powerful performance, user-friendly features, and durable construction, the West Bend deep fryer offers excellent value for money. It brings the quality and efficiency of a professional fryer into your home kitchen, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys fried foods. The 12-month limited warranty adds an extra layer of assurance, ensuring that your purchase is protected. In conclusion, the West Bend deep fryer with adjustable temperature control is a reliable, efficient, and versatile kitchen appliance that makes frying at home a joy. Its powerful performance, large capacity, and easy-to-clean design make it a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or new to frying, This deep fryer offers a convenient way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the hassle and mess of traditional stovetop frying. If you're looking to elevate your home cooking experience with a versatile and efficient deep fryer, the West Bend Deep Fryer is definitely worth considering. Its combination of performance, safety, and convenience makes it a standout choice in the market. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.